Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today I have a treat in store for you. Coconut Oatmeal Cookies. Crispy on the edges and just a little soft and chewy in the center. They're one of my favorites, and I know you're going to love them too. Our recipe starts by creaming together unsalted butter with granulated sugar and brown sugar. And you can use a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment or an electric hand mixer. And cream until soft and light in color. And to the creamed butter and sugars, we'll add a room temperature egg along with molasses. Beat again until fully incorporated. Being sure to scrape the bowl at least once. Add a teaspoon of vanilla and combine. And it's always a good idea to whisk together your dry ingredients before adding to the butter. That ensures that they're well incorporated and therefore requires less overall mixing at the end, resulting in a tender cookie. So to my all-purpose flour, we're going to add baking powder and baking soda, warming spices, cinnamon, allspice, and nutmeg, and salt. And whisk together to fully combine. And when measuring flour, you want to spoon it into your measuring cup and then level off with a knife. This ensures a more accurate measure as the flour does not become overpacked. Add the flour to the creamed butter along with large flaked oatmeal and beat that until it's just starting to come together, giving the bowl a scrape. And then finally we'll add the coconut. Mix until just combined. And here's our cookie dough ready for baking. Scoop the dough onto a parchment-lined baking tray using a 1-ounce scoop, spacing about 2 inches apart. Bake in the center of a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 9 to 10 minutes, baking one tray at a time for best results. Allow to cool and firm up on the tray for several minutes before moving to a cooling rack. These slightly chewy cookies are reminiscent of a dad's cookie, but so much better. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.